Here I've got OnePlus 7 Pro, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down a bit and go to the system. Now tap on reset options, and as you can see, the second one is reset app preferences. So if you would like to reset app preferences, simply click on this switcher. As you can see, here's a notification that this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restriction, but you will not lose any app data. So if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to perform a reset, just click on Reset Apps. And that's it. You've just reset app preferences. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.